how to give people access to your account on GoDaddy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to give people access to your account on GoDaddy, easy and quick. First, open your browser and then click account settings. Now go to my profile and then scroll down until you find delegate access, and here you will find invite to access. Now just type here name and email of that person that you want to access, that you want to give it access to your account, and that's it. Now just select anything you want here and click invite. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.